Ford Motor, F, joined General Motors, GM, with a mixed report for the third quarter Wednesday. But Ford hiked full-year guidance and reinstated its dividend, after GM guided toward the high end of its 2021 earnings forecast. Ford stock jumped on Thursday, clearing a buy zone. GM stock rose slightly after tumbling Wednesday. XIn Q3, the auto giants saw a fresh hit to production due to a worsening chip shortage, which largely spared Tesla, TSLA. IBD Live, a new tool for daily stock market analysis. Ford earnings estimates. Analysts expected Ford earnings to tank 59% year-over-year to 27 cents a share. Revenue was seen rising 1.9% to $38.213 billion. Results: Ford earnings fell 21.5% to 51 cents per share. Revenue slid 5% to $35.683 billion. But quarter-over-quarter Ford's revenue, adjusted earnings before interest and taxes, and free cash flow were all sharply higher, driven by significant increases in semiconductor availability, the company said in a release. And Ford touted a 50% sequential increase in orders, to more than 100,000 vehicles, as semiconductor volumes increase. Ford will resume its regular stock dividend in Q4, it added. The automaker had suspended the 15-cent quarterly Ford stock dividend in March 2020, as the pandemic spiraled out. In Q3, Ford's new vehicle sales in the U.S. fell 27%, the company previously disclosed. But average transaction prices rose 13% to $51,460, according to Edmunds data, benefiting from higher demand for pickup trucks and SUVs. In China, Ford's Q3 sales fell 9%. In Europe, its Q3 sales fell 35%. Outlook: Ford now sees full-year 2021 adjusted EBIT of $10.5 billion, $11.5 billion, up from $9 billion, $10 billion prior. It kept guidance for 2021 adjusted free cash flow of $4 billion, $5 billion steady. Wall Street sees 2021 EPS at $1.57, FactSet says. But that was before the stronger-than-expected Q3 EPS figure. Ford stock shares rose 9% to $16.91 on Thursday. Ford stock blasted past a $16.55 buy point October 21st, as well as a high handle entry of $16.80 entry. But shares are off intraday highs of $17.58, a 7-year best. Ford stock fell 2.6% to $15.52 on Wednesday in reaction to GM earnings. GM earnings estimates. Wall Street expected GM earnings to dive 65% year-over-year, to 98 cents per share, according to FactSet. Revenue was seen falling to $30.722 billion. Results: General Motors earnings per share fell 46% to $1.52. Revenue tumbled nearly 25% to $26.779 billion. The quarter was challenging due to continuing semiconductor pressures, CEO Mary Barra said in a statement.